Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to discuss 4 ways of representing a function and to illustrate the discussion with examples. So the 4 ways to represent a function are as follows: verbally, numerically, graphically, and algebraically. These are the 4 ways. So the basic summary of all these different ways: verbally means describing the situation with words. Numerically means you have a table of values where you connect one variable to the other at different values. Graphically is graphing the function, and algebraically is providing a formula for the function. So I'm going to do the example where the output is equal to the input. And the way that I just described it to you is verbally. The output is equal to the input, right? Or the dependent variable is equal to the independent variable, however you want to think about it. Numerically, this is a table of values. The standard input and output is the independent x and the dependent y, and for x is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, y holds those same values. Graphically, in the xy plane, we can plot these points. If you do, we find that we get this line in the plane, y over x. And algebraically, the function is represented by the equation y equals x. So these are the 4 ways of representing a function, and an example of one function described each of these 4 ways.